Okay. Let me hit the key. Oh, dang. Ignition's already on. Why is the fuel pump already running? Is she hardwired in? All right. Whatever. Damn, it runs good. Golly. Now, does it have an exhaust leak? Absolutely. Yeah, you know. Problem is, we're missing a bolt in the header. The head's stripped out. So there's not much I can do about it, really. Take some more tranny fluid. Bolt. Oh, no. Dang. Look at this hot rod. How's it look? A little splash? Alright. I feel really bad that we have to get another drive shaft made for this thing. Look at how nice it looks.